Hey guys, so it is day 9 of the year of awesome, and I wish I had started this on day 1, but I didn't. Um, but on Friday, I don't think I can't remember what day I started. If I might have started a day sooner, just accidentally. But on Friday, I decided to stop using a microwave. Oh my gosh. Life without a microwave is it's different. Cooking without a microwave has been interesting, especially leftovers. Um, like for instance, I make oatmeal, and I make enough for 3 days at a time because I can, and then I put it in the fridge and we microwave it for the next 2 days. So I had to figure out a way to heat up leftover oatmeal without the microwave, and that was a little rough, but I did it. And then tonight, my son wanted me to heat up some lentils for dinner, and so I cooked them on the stove, and he wanted me to add some kidney beans, and so I put some kidney beans in a metal strainer and put them in the water and boiled them like that. So I'm getting creative with cooking without my microwave, and today's Tuesday, so I've gone 5 days now. 5 days microwave free. And I quit using the microwave because so many people that I know have given up microwaves because of the health risks. And my friend Bronwyn, who is also doing 365 days of YouTube videos, she's the first one I found out hadn't used a microwave for a long time, like years. And I was like, how do you cook? How do you have leftovers? How do you reheat anything? And I just couldn't even, like, my brain wouldn't even go there. And so I've been getting more creative, and there are ways, and everyone recommends that I buy a toaster oven and sell my microwave and buy a toaster oven with the money. So I may do that because it is a little tricky without a toaster oven. So I'm looking forward to the health benefits of not microwaving all of our food, and I wonder if you guys, how many of you use a microwave, and how many of you don't, and are you thinking of stopping, and are you concerned about the health concerns of basically irradiating your food every day? So comment below what you think about it. What are your opinions on microwaving your food? And like and subscribe, and join me for this year of awesome. I will see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.